back, guys. This is our 126th chassis harness. This one is an E36. So we always get started. We check all the battery constants, make sure they have power. Check a few other circuits, make sure there is no power. That's important as well. You want everything to work accordingly. Not too many battery constants in this one. Okay, that's it, for real. Alright, I guess I have to edit that. There's no way, it's just those two. It's those two, the cluster. Got one here, but we'll know that works in a second. Got one here. Cool. Alright, so this customer went with the switch panel for the ignition on and the start, and then the OEM blinker and headlight stalk. So we'll key on. Notice the cluster illuminates. Now we'll check all our key on circuits. Make sure everything has power. Sweet. Dope. Awesome. That'll be checked. Cool. So this one's pretty sweet because the starter signal is on the switch panel here. I don't have to fight it like with the OEM. So we'll get that. Sick. We're on the X20 connector, so let's just run through the reverse lights. Yeah. Let's see here. There we go. Reverse lights. So this customer has two fuel pumps. This is the OEM, an additional second OEM hanger in the driver's side, identical to the one in the passenger side. So this is the OEM factory one from the passenger side, so we can start with that. Dope. And then they're both activated from the X20 connector. They're both on their own separate circuit. It's a 30 amp, up to a 30 amp relayed circuit. Let us know what your max amp draw is and we can put the correct fuse in. If not, that's on you guys. It's always good to have the correct size fuse. This customer asked for their X20 connector to be on a disconnect, so this is pretty dope. I have it in a specific location going through the firewall, so we actually made it disconnect. Pretty cool. So connect that, connect this, so it'll just plug right in. Click, click. Pretty dope. Let's see here. So we have your check engine. This is an OBD2. This goes to your X6031 connector. It's the smaller connector. So let's see. Low oil light. And then you have low battery light. Sick. Okay, all that's good. So this customer has a OEM wiper, which we leave a flying lead. This is an adder relay. We leave the ground up to you guys. We only supply the power. Next is hazards. Hazards, they all illuminate. You can see that one in the distance. Perfect. And then this is an adder relay. They had 4 adder relays total. One was used for the fuel pump. One was used for the wiper. And then the additional 2 are right here. This one is activated from the switch panel, and the other one is activated from the OEM fog light button. So we can test that right now. They can use that as they see fit. I believe this one is for your underglow. They're going to use it for the underglow. Set. Lights. These taillights always give me a problem there for a 4-door. Yeah, alright, so it's on, it's illuminated, it's just super faint. This one, like, I don't even know if you'll see this, but like this doesn't even, shouldn't wiggle like that. The tabs are all blown out and busted. Oh, I just broke it. Sick. Alright, cool. Let's do high beams. You can see it illuminate on the cluster. You can see it here illuminating. Then we'll do the blinker. Sick. See it on the blinker. See it over here. Dope. We're really busy, so I'm kind of just jamming through this one because we have to get back to work. I make these videos. We'll do the running lights on. I make these videos for the customers. I think that's important as a business individual. I also buy things from companies, and I'll say it straight up out loud. Like, a lot of companies are slacking these days. You guys suck and need to step it up. It has nothing to do with the automotive industry or aftermarket automotive parts. I mean, in general, like across the board. So, sick. We got that out of the way. Stated that. Throw the headlights on. Headlights are on. Dope. Clusters illuminated. That's it. That's a wrap. Buzz right through this one testing. Make sure I got everything. Check this running light. Check that running light. Sick. Hazards. Yeah, dude, we're good. Your harness is all set. We'll button it up and get it out in the mail tomorrow. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Like, comment, and subscribe. That helps us help you guys. We have a lot of interest in a lot of different harnesses, so we're trying to accommodate everybody. But if not, we always have the universal. Thanks for watching. Take care.